If you're a beginner YouTuber like me, the biggest hurdle that new content creators like us have is that if we are using a rear camera on an iPhone, we are unable to see the screen, which means we don't know if it's recording all okay, are we positioned correctly. Hello friends, if you're new to this channel, my name is Saj, and in this video I'm going to show you two cool and easy ways how you can view yourself while recording with a rear camera on an iPhone. By the way, I'm creating this video as a project for the new class from Ali Abdaal on SKILLshare, which is called YouTube for Beginners. And if you're a new YouTuber like me, then you should definitely take this class because it will help you a lot. And by the way, you can get one free full month of SKILLshare membership if you sign up via the link that I've shared in the description below. Okay, so let's rock and roll with those two cool methods that you can view yourself while recording. So the first option is to use your Apple Watch as a screen or a monitor. It's really easy to set up and it only takes a couple of seconds to get started. Now I'm assuming that your Apple Watch is already paired up with the iPhone that you're recording with. So all you need to do is find the camera app on your Apple Watch. As soon as I click on the camera app on the Apple Watch, it brings up the live recording right from your iPhone rear camera, which means no longer you have to use your front camera because now you can view yourself while filming from rear camera. And not only it allows you to watch the live recording, you can use the controls to stop and start the recording so that it allows you to save the battery life as well if you're going through your notes in between. Now if you're someone who doesn't have an Apple Watch, then don't worry, you can use the option number 2, which is based on a software. It can be used by anyone, whether you are a Mac or a PC user. The name of the software is Reflector. Now I'm using the older version of Reflector, and I believe they have an upgraded version which costs the same, but it might have some new features that I'm not aware about. So as you can see on the screen, this is the site for the Reflector software, and I'll leave the links in the description so it's easier for you. All you need to do is pay for this software, which at the moment is about £18.37. So I'm assuming it's about $22, give or take. And you just download the version based on whether you are a Mac user or a Windows user. Once you download this software, you'll get this small icon on the top bar. When you click on that, you will see that there's no device is connected. So I'm going to be showing you how to use it on my another phone so that I can still record it while I'm showing you. So all you do is, depending on the operating system, either pull down or pull up the screen, and there you will see like a icon which looks like a couple of screens, which is the mirroring icon. When you press on that, it will show you your Mac or PC, whichever you are trying to pair this with. Once you click on that, you will see a 4-digit code on the screen of the PC or the Mac. You need to punch those numbers on your phone. So as you can see, it's asking me to put those numbers that it's displayed on the screen currently. Now as soon as the screen is paired, you'll see that tick mark, which means now you can actually watch the live screen, whatever is going on your phone. So to give you an example, I'm going to try and record a clip from this particular phone so you can see that. So as you can see, at the moment it's showing the screen recording. So say for example, if I was reviewing a table lamp, then you can see while I'm basically trying to record this, it will actually show exactly what's happening on the screen as well. So that's the second way how you can actually watch yourself live while recording and using your rear camera on an iPhone for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram lives, or any other type of videos that you're trying to create with your rear camera. As I'm sure you must have heard that the rear camera has a better image quality when you're recording or whether you're taking pictures. Also, I've previously made a similar video where I went through these kind of options along with top 3 microphones that you can pair with an iPhone for recording YouTube videos. So make sure to check this video as well. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if it did, make sure to do all the good stuff, like the video, comment and subscribe, because I'm planning to share similar content for new content creators while I record my journey. Once again, thanks to Ali for such a wonderful class on SKILLshare. Take care, and I hope to see you in the next one.